Hello guys, if you have a station like this here and it starts smoking, mine starts smoking when I put my phone on charge. The charger for the phone is new, the cable is new as well. I mean the plug from the charger is new, and I see some smoke coming out and I take it off fast. When you have something like this, don't throw it. The extension lead is still good, still working. We just need to fix what caused the smoke, and it's inside this thing. So yeah, I don't know if you can see this thing. It has this black thing there. So there inside you see here some black. This one as well is black here. So all that, I don't know exactly how you call it. I think it's called brass scale, because all this yellow thing, it's brass. So this is like a rust, but for brass. It's not a rust. I think you call it brass scale. So all this one we need to clean it. All this thing, which is simple, just some sandpaper, and that's it. We're gonna do the job. Yeah, looks fine. Now let's test it to see if it works. It should work. This one was the one with the problem. Perfect. So it's working. All good. So don't throw them. Just try to fix them. Easy fix. Thanks, guys.